And we were bold as far as our dream was concerned, and we didn't let down. We worked hard. The boys put a massive shift over the weekend. They believed and we delivered. And for us, we know qualifying is just the easy part. Now the hard work begins, because now in the Olympics itself, we're going to meet tough opposition. So now is when the hard work begins. These boys are very adventurous, and these boys are very courageous in terms of they don't fear anybody. I'll say this boldly. We're going to put in some good work, and we're not just going to participate in the Olympics. We're going to compete.